Hello, good morning. Today I am going to present how to write instruction or receive. Instruction, receive of making dado. How to make dado. Do you know how to make dado? Let's learn with me. In your examination, question can be asked like this: write 6 instructions to make dado. 6 instructions, because this question uh, is asked for 6 marks, or it this question allocates 6 marks in your examination. If you write properly, then you may get 6 marks in your examination, secondary level. Before writing, following points should be remembered. Before writing instruction or receive, we have to remember following points. There should be topic, in which topic we are writing instruction. Then, related to the topic, we have to know the ingredients, what things are needed to make that. Then only we have to think about the method. To write method, we have to write some phrases like first of all, then, after that, again, then finally. Such phrases should be used while writing methods of making dado or some giving some instructions. We have to write, or we have to remember the method. Then to write method, we have to use such phrases to make attractive instructions or receive. Let's see, in the place of topic, receive for dado is written here. Then ingredients means things, what things are needed. Then to make dado, as we know, first of all, we need water, 1 liter of water, flour, 250 gram per 2 people. Then that depends on the participants or people. 1 liter, 2 liter water. Then flour also increases as participant increase. Then we have to write methods. Let's see. First of all, heat a karai, pot, on the fire or gas. There should be pot. Then we have to heat the pot on the fire or gas. Then put water in the pot, adding a pinch of flour in it and let it boil. After that, let the water boil properly. If the water is not boiled properly, dado will not get proper color, and color may be dismissed. Continue. Phone number. After the water is boiled, add the flour in the water and stir it properly, and again let it keep on the fire until it give proper smell. Keep on stirring as it needed. As the power of fire or condition of the fire, we have to stir it. Then it gives proper smell, delicious, tasty smell. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes before serve it. Finally, serve and take with special curry. If curry is special, then there will be like tasty. So these are the methods to write instructions to make dhero. Then in your examination, only dhero cannot be asked. Mama, chow mein, or something else. How to make that? Then we have to write the instructions in such a way. Thanking you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.